In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your ad blocking settings in Yandex Browser to ensure a smoother online experience. Let's dive right in and explore how to manage those ads that can sometimes clutter your browsing session. First, open the Yandex Browser on your device. Once it's up and running, make your way over to the Settings menu. It's usually represented by a gear icon, and you can find it easily in the browser's main menu. When you're in the Settings menu, look for the Tools section. Depending on the version of Yandex Browser you have, this option might be labeled slightly differently, such as Security or Ad and Tracker Blocking. Whatever the case, this section is where you'll want to be to manage your ad blocking features. Now, within this area, make sure to locate the option for blocking ads. Look for something along the lines of Block Obtrusive Ads or a similar setting. With this option enabled, Yandex will work to block those pesky full-screen ads, large pop-ups, sticky banners, and even those unexpected video ads that start playing loudly without warning. These settings generally help create a cleaner and less disruptive browsing experience, allowing you to focus on the content that matters to you. But sometimes, there might be specific ads or websites where you'd prefer to control the visibility more precisely. Let's look at how you can do that. If, for instance, you'd like to manually block a specific image or banner, you can do so by navigating within the Tools section again. Once there, find the part labeled Blocked Ads. Here, you have the option to add the address of any image you specifically want to block. This feature is great if there's something specific detracting from your experience that isn't automatically being caught by the broader settings. Conversely, there are times when you might want to support certain websites by allowing their ads to show. For example, if there's a site whose ads you find useful or you want to support their content, navigate to the list of exempted sites. Here you can add the URLs of these sites, effectively creating a whitelist of places where ads will be shown. This gives you a tailored approach to ad blocking, letting you decide what you see and where you see it. And there you have it. With these steps, you now have the knowledge to adjust ad blocking settings in the Yandex browser to suit your personal preferences, improving not only your browsing experience, but also supporting sites you care about. Whether you're looking to browse with fewer distractions or simply prefer a certain level of control, these tools are at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.